Hi my beauties, and welcome back to my channel. Today I did a very natural makeup, a full face only using blush. That's all I've been loving right now. Like, I just like a really fresh natural face. So if you guys want to see this makeup tutorial, then just stay tuned and let's just get started. Okay, so to start off with my face, I'm gonna be using my Cetaphil moisturizer. This one is really good if you have really dry skin. My dermatologist actually recommended this to me, especially for my skin type, because my skin, it can be very one of a kind. So once I have that on, oh my god guys, I got a new mirror. Yes, this is such a cute little mirror, and I got it at the dollar store. So I'm just gonna go ahead and prime my skin using this hangover primer. I'm gonna be using my NYX Professional Makeup Color Corrector, and it's in the color orange. I'm just gonna color correct my under eyes. Honestly, I don't feel like I have really dark circles, but I feel like I just need to do this step or else my makeup doesn't look amazing. As you guys can see, the pimples already dry. Since it's a little dark, I'm just gonna put some of this just so we can blur it out. It looks like my skin is perfectly fine. With the beauty blender, I'm just going to blend it out. Now we are going to be going in with my foundation. I'm gonna go ahead and apply my Tarte Face Tape Foundation, and I am in the color 35N, a medium neutral, and a little goes a long way, so you don't want to like overdo it. And then just blot it out and blend it in, and that's pretty much it. This makeup look is really easy because we are only going to be using blush in the whole face. So yeah, and it's a look that I've been really loving just because it looks so nice and dewy. Like, you're not really wearing makeup, you know, like an easy everyday look, but still looking hella cute, not even trying a lot. We are actually not even contouring or anything. I'm just going to spray my face with the MAC Pep and Prime spray just so we can set it. We really want to highlight the face, and I just don't want it to crease. We are going to be going in with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and we're just gonna really get down with this. Don't even mind my nails right now, they're really like disgusting, but I can't get these nails off. Like, I tried already and I just can't, and I am not the girl to bite them off. I just can't do that shit. Okay, so going in with my Kylie Jenner setting powder, I'm going to set my under eyes. I've honestly never been a blush girl. Like, you guys know that I'm always bronzing my face. I'm gonna be going in with my Tarte Party blush, and this is the only thing we're gonna be using for the whole face. So if you guys are like, what the fuck do you mean with the whole face, you guys are gonna see right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply some on my cheeks. So I really like to just smile. So I'm just gonna apply some blush on the center of my nose to give me that, you know, that look that I'm cold. I'm also gonna be applying the blush on my eyelid as a eyeshadow. You're gonna apply this blush on your eyelid. But once the lashes go on, it's a different story, boo-boo. And I'm just going to start setting under the blush just so we can highlight that section. And just spray the face. And for my eyebrows, I don't think I ever do my eyebrows on camera just because it takes me forever. And then sometimes I can have good days and sometimes I have really bad days where I literally like just, my eyebrows just are looking like shit. So I'm using the e.l.f. brown pencil. This brow pencil is the shit and it's only $2. So basically how I do my eyebrows, I just go base on where the hair ends right here, and I just line it. And I don't like to do like a curve, I just like to keep it straight. I just feel like that complements my face a lot more. And then I'm just gonna fill it in. So that's basically what I do to my eyebrows. I'm just gonna do the other one real fast. So now going with my Anastasia Beverly Hills eyebrow kit, I'm gonna be using the light color to fill out my eyebrows from the beginning. So I'm just gonna clean out my eyebrows using my MAC concealer. Using a flat brush, I'm just going to start cleaning out my eyebrows. That is a must. With another brush, I just like to go and blend out the concealer that we used. I'm just gonna do the same exact thing to this eyebrow and I will be back. So we are going to be doing just the final step on the eyes, applying highlight in the inner corners of our eyes. So going in with my favorite highlighter, this is the Maybelline Chrome highlighter. This is the one that I usually always use if I'm not using my Ofra highlighter kit. But we're just gonna highlight the inner corners. This really just, you know, brightens up your eyes and it just makes you look more awake. You're gonna actually add it in the bottom of your eye. I like to bring it all the way across. So this is how it looks. And we are not even highlighting, we are not contouring, we are literally not doing anything. Just this is the look. So now I'm just gonna apply some lashes. I'm using my Cocoa lashes in the style Stella. All right, babes, so this is literally almost the final look. I just added a little hairband because since I do have really natural makeup, I like to at least accessorize with like stuff in my hair. And I'm just gonna do my lips, and I'm using my MAC lip liner in the color Strip Down. So I'm just gonna go in with my Milani lipstick in the color Adorable. Okay, so I am done with the whole entire makeup look. This is my makeup. It looks like I didn't even try to do my makeup. I just, you know, I just woke up like this. You know, it's just a super easy makeup that you can rock any day. And then now I'm gonna be able to enjoy my food on camera. So I guess this turned into a mukbang because I am about to devour my food. Let's make sure I don't drop this because you know that I be dropping everything. I'm just going to be trying my In-N-Out protein burger. Oh my god, my mouth is like so watery. Oh my god, this is so good. My little sister literally came through. She knows that I love jalapenos, so she got me the little yellow peppers. And I know I'm trying to be healthy with this, but homegirl had to get her animal fries. Oh my god, I can't stop eating now. So look at these. So that's just gonna see me eat now. And I'm just drinking water. I am a water girl. You know, I have to take a bite of this little pepper. I'm just gonna you know, enjoy my food, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Yeah, so like, subscribe, and turn on your bell notifications so you guys are always notified every single time I upload a video. And I hope you guys have a really nice rest of the day, and I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Bye guys. Mwah.